Welcome everybody, welcome to ClayDesk. We are going to talk about some of the common questions that all of you have regarding AWS. How to get into AWS, whether it's a good career, whether coding is required, and all of these questions. So we are super excited to invite Syed, who is an IT enterprise architect, DevOps engineer with several years of experience, and he's going to be answering some of these common questions for you. So yeah, let's dive right in and let's meet Syed and ask him a couple of questions. Welcome to ClayDesk. So the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam and credential helps organizations identify and develop talent with critical knowledge relating to implementing cloud initiatives. So earning a AWS Cloud Practitioner validates cloud fluency and foundation AWS knowledge. So who should take this exam? Okay, the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner is intended, for anyone who has basic AWS knowledge on the platform. Now, before taking this exam, it's always important to have at least 6 months of exposure to the AWS cloud. Should also have basic understanding of IT services, maybe IT networking essentials is also helpful. Knowledge of core AWS services and use cases, billing, pricing, the well-architected framework, security concepts, and how cloud impacts the business. So, does it take to earn this certification, right? What does it take? Basically, there are 65 multiple choice questions or multiple response questions. So, you should have the following core knowledge before you attempt the exam: the AWS cloud concepts, security and compliance within the AWS cloud, understanding of the core AWS services, and of course, understanding of the economics of how the AWS cloud works. So I've now invited Syed, who's a senior AWS enterprise architect, a DevOps engineer, and a project manager to answer some of the common questions that probably are going through your mind. So, welcome, Syed.
Thank you so much. Nice to be here.
Welcome to our ClayDesk studio, and I'm happy to have you. So, let's start with a series of questions. The first question is, what does AWS require coding?
The short answer is no, right? There are many tasks within the AWS cloud that can be done within AWS, for example, without any coding skills. But if you want to build, let's say, applications, right, then you need to learn how to, do application coding.
Great. Can you learn AWS on your own?
Absolutely. Digital training allows you to learn online at your own pace, right? So whether you're just starting out, building on existing IT skills, or sharpening your cloud knowledge, AWS training and certification can certainly help.
Great. Can you get AWS certification without any experience?
Good question. So when you learn AWS without experience, you can do that. Yes, absolutely. But it's possible to learn AWS and get certified without an IT background or degree. And that's the beauty of AWS, right? But it's always nice to have some experience, some hands-on experience, right? The Cloud Practitioner exam, for example, are a little more, require more experience.
All right. Is Python required for AWS?
So AWS CLI and for example, the SDK require Python, either 2.7 or higher 3.4 version Python runtime. So
great. Yeah. So which is better, AWS or Microsoft Azure?
Great question. So for example, if an organization is in need of a strong platform as a service, PaaS, right? Needs Windows integration, then definitely Azure would be a preferable choice, right? For an enterprise. If the enterprise is looking for an infrastructure as a service, IaaS, or a diverse set of tools, then AWS definitely is the best solution.
Is AWS a good career? Many of our viewers would like to really know this answer.
Yeah, I'm glad you asked. So being an AWS certified opens many opportunities for landing a high-paying career, no doubt. It grows credibility that will help you grow in your career, right? So AWS Cloud Architect, for example, directly connects with engineers just to the customers, providing an interface with partners, technical management, stakeholders, and vendors.
Great. Can you learn AWS in 1 month?
Yeah. So how long will it take you to learn the basics, right? You can start with, start to understand AWS core services in just a few days. Gain practical knowledge, do hands-on within a few weeks. And in a month or two, you could certainly expect to be undertaking professional work in AWS ecosystem. It's not that difficult.
Great.
Yeah, let's get some coffee, shall we? Yeah, thanks so much.